The way we go about our life has to do a lot with how our senses function, and they are directed outwardly. Therefore, when we think about how to get happy in life, it is a lot about what do I get from others? What do I get from life, from the world, of course also from material things, material pleasures. So the idea very often is that I would be more happy if I had more people love me, or if the ones that I already have, my friends, would give me more attention and more love. So we are very much concerned with this movement towards us. Through the meditation on compassion, we learn that it is actually the other way around. What makes us really happy is when we have this loving heart that can extend love and compassion towards others. That is the real recipe to happiness.